What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 21,754, up 0.8 on the day, seeing a market cap of 413 billion. 24-hour volume 32.21 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we're looking for an ABCDE corrective triangle. The E wave is broken a little bit high. Like usually, what you would want to see in a triangle is that it comes like this. Let me grab my brush. So we come up in an A, B, C, D, E, and then the E gets rejected. By the top of the triangle, we break down. But we have broken out of it. So we may be looking at some sort of WXY or an ABC. I'm just going to quickly take this out. It's not that necessary. I'll just re-level this. So we were watching potential ascending triangle. We did break out of the pattern, but we broke back in and then we broke out once again. But we are creating a double top with a bearish divergence. As you can see here, created top, second top with a bearish D. So if we do get rejected, we come down and we lose this level of support. We lose the neckline. That's when you could come down for a wave 5. And you can take your trend base extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3. To the top, if this were to be the top of the wave 4 right here, and you'd be looking for a 618 extension coming in at about 20,049 for a potential wave 5. But if we do bounce from this level and we start to push up towards this technical target, and then the wave 5 low can already be in, as I've been mentioning, and then you see a push back to the upside. The really bullish scenario, come up and break these highs, put in a wave 3, or the bearish scenario, which I've been watching quite closely here, is that we've come down. We're basically looking to put in a wave 1, whether we still come down for a wave 5, and then we see a wave 2 pullback and we see a wave 3 to the downside, and we basically put in a lower low, put in a wave 5 to the downside. A little bit of boring price action over the last few days, but this is crypto and we're in a bear market, and even in bull markets we see consolidation like this, where we're just waiting for the next big move. All right, guys. So we do have this bear flag as well that I've been watching here. We still haven't broken out of it yet. We've just been consolidating in a small upward trend here. But the money flow has come back up to the top section on the RSI. Or sorry, guys. But the money flow has come back up to the top section, and sometimes that can signify a move back down. The RSI is still looking okay here. We just have to wait until this flag, or if you are seeing it as an ascending triangle pattern here, we just have to wait for it to break and see if it's going to push up or if it's going to come down here. But I am watching this double top with the bearish divergence. If we do come down and break down here, then what we could see is we come down in a wave 5. It's not till we come up and break this major level of resistance here and start pushing all the way back up to about 24.9K. I mean, we would have to push up really close to the previous high for me to think that we're going to put in a wave 3. I think it's more likely that we're coming down here and we've completed a wave 4 pullback and we're going to start a 5-wave move to the downside. But we'll have to see what happens. It doesn't get really bearish until we come down to retest about 18K and then come down and lose this low here at about 17,000 for BTC. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, and you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership, as well as my analysis for my spot trades, for my leverage trades. You can sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Check out my full length tutorial over on Bybit, up to $4,500 in bonuses over there, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.